And now to Japan, the new Emperor Naruhito has formally ascended the throne. He has met with government officials, including Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. Speaking during his accession ceremony, Naruhito said he will learn from his father, former Emperor Akihito, to win the nation's respect. Akihito stepped down on Tuesday as the first Japanese emperor to abdicate in more than 200 years. Naruhito will greet his first foreign head of state as emperor later this month when U.S. President Donald Trump visits. The emperor plays a largely ceremonial role in Japan and does not hold political power.